Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a use case diagram. In draw.io, a use case diagram helps visualize how users interact with a system and its main functions. First, look at the left-hand panel and click on More Shapes. Under Software, make sure UML 2.5 and UML are toggled on, then click on Apply. You will now see UML Shapes appear in the left-hand panel. To add an actor, drag and drop the actor shape onto your canvas, then rename it by double-clicking on it. For example, you can rename it to Customer. You can also change the color of the actor by clicking on it, going to Style, and choosing the color you prefer. Next, add use cases by dragging the oval use case shapes onto your canvas and double-clicking each one to change the text, such as Login. You can also change the color of each use case using the Style section. To connect the actor and use cases, hover over a shape until you see a small cross icon, then drag it to the use case. Once connected, the arrows will stay attached even when you move the shapes around. To change the arrow style, click on the line, go to Style, then click the drop-down next to the line option and choose your preferred style. And that's it. We enabled UML shapes, added actors and use cases, customized colors, and connected everything. This is how you build a complete use case diagram in draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.